everyone. Welcome back to Kitchen Sanskriti.
This is Gauri.
And it's me Vaibhavi.
You must have guessed by the title that today we are going to show you how to make cheesy and creamy white sauce pasta.
So let's just start with the recipe.
The ingredients which you will need to make white sauce pasta are 1 cup boiled pasta, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour that is maida, 2 cups of milk, cheese cubes, veggies like boiled sweet corns, capsicum, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, 2 to 3 finely chopped garlics, seasoning like oregano and chili flakes, some black pepper powder and salt as per your taste, and butter. So for white sauce pasta, first of all we will have to boil the pasta. So here I am adding water in a pan and let the water boil first and then only add your pasta. Then add pinch of salt and oil in it and let it cook. Once the pasta is cooked properly, drain out the excess water and add some chilled water on top of it so it won't stick to each other. Take a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in it. Let the butter completely melt. Then add 2 to 3 finely chopped garlic cloves. Then add veggies like red and yellow bell pepper, capsicum, onions and some sweet corns. Saute them properly. Once it is properly mixed, add pinch of salt, some black pepper powder and seasonings like oregano and chili flakes. Now for the sauce, take a pan and add generous amount of butter in it. And 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour that is maida. Mix it properly and let it cook for around half minute. Then add cheese in it and add 1 cup of milk in it and mix it properly until it becomes like a paste. So now you can see after adding the cheese, it is becoming thicker. Make sure your sauce is lump free. For lump free sauce, you can also use a whisk to whip the sauce. When it thickens, then again add 1 cup of milk in it and cook it properly until you get the creamy and silky consistency. So now you can see there are some lumps because of the all-purpose flour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a whisk and whip it for 5 to 10 minutes until I get the smooth and silky consistency for the sauce. Now you can see our sauce is ready. So I'm going to add the spices. Let's add the seasonings in it. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of oregano or ready-made seasoning and pinch of salt. Mix it properly. You can see the consistency. It is not very fluid, or very thick. Once it is properly mixed, now I am going to add all the veggies. Mix it properly and then add our boiled pasta in it. You can cook it for like 1 to 2 minutes and your pasta is ready. You can see your cheesy and creamy white sauce pasta is ready to serve.
So now our delicious white sauce pasta is ready to serve.
And if you like this recipe, do not forget to like this video, comment down below, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.